can't get my head around this. The combined MPG of this car. Hello car friends, and welcome to the Golf GTE. Now this is one of the newest hybrids that I've been waiting to get into for so long. So it's from Volkswagen. It's a 1.4 litre engine combined with a battery. It's a plug-in hybrid, which means you can take it home and charge it at night. Sorry that I'm wearing this terrible faux leather jacket again. Next time I'll think harder about which clothing I'm pairing with which car. So as you can hear, it's quiet. It's on. That's the best thing about hybrid cars. They're so quiet. Should make quieter indicators. So it's quite a sporty little number, I will give them that. It's got a 0 to 60 speed of 7.4 seconds, so it's not slow. Now I'll stick it in. It's a 4-cylinder turbocharged engine, which is what allowed that to pick up then. So it basically uses the hybrid technology at low revs, and then it uses the petrol engine, the 1.4 litre petrol engine, to kick in after that. What does that mean? Well, it means that it gives you an actual power, like a relative power of 208 PS, but it is fast and it feels fast, especially for a 1.4 litre engine. I can't get my head around this. The combined MPG of this car, 156 MPG. 156? That's ridiculous. So whilst we're talking numbers, let's talk about price. So this is £32,000 in the UK, but you get a government incentive. So about £2,500 of that money can come off the list price. So when you actually get it onto the road unregistered, the government will take £2,500 off that price. So you are looking at about £29,500 basic to get this car on the road, which puts it in contest with the BMW i3 if you're looking at pure electric. Obviously this will strip out the BMW from range because this has got a petrol engine, but you've actually got a range extender that you can add onto there, which essentially turbocharges those batteries when you need it to. It's like a generator basically. And actually everything's pretty, whoa, this that bird. Okay, it survived, didn't it? Is it? I know we're saving the planet, guys, but one bird at a time, every bird matters. Okay, so how does it drive? Well, it's a really comfortable trip. You've got loads of tech kicking off in here. Automatic gearbox, 6-speed automatic gearbox, rear view cameras, a diagram that shows you how the car's performing, a really clear head-up display which is digital, so you're getting so much information, but actually because of the way they use colours, it actually makes it really quite clear and easy to understand. Okay, so now I'm using these rear view cameras, which are okay, yeah, compared to other sort of manufacturers, pretty similar. So normally they sort of give you the lines to show you the direction of the wheels turning, but this one doesn't. Now, interestingly, this car's got let me pull the windows up so you can hear me a bit better. There we go. Now this car's got 4 different modes to it. So you've got E mode, which is electric mode essentially, GTE mode, which is the full beans, you know, you get everything. You've also got hybrid auto, which is it manages itself, and then you've got battery charge as well, which I'm assuming uses more regenerative power, ensures that it's making the most out of the battery rather than the two combined. Now I've only been in this car for a few minutes, but it seems there's quite a decent level of tech on here. So not only with the gearbox have you got the 6-speed like we said before, you can also wang it across into sport and use a bit of a sort of manual setup on there so you can control that how you like. There's also loads of stuff going on this. Cruise control, it's also got a range monitor as well, which is sort of telling me how far I really have got on electric only and how far I need to go before I need to actually fill up. It's quite a useful bit of tech because let's be honest, all you really need to know is how far you're going to be travelling and how far you've got left to travel. So having, you know, not having to work out those two things is actually pretty decent. And you've also got the sort of radar line lane control kind of thing as well. Oh, how's this going to work? Now's a test. Got a reverse. I've actually got Panos in the car behind me, and we're both trying to get in. I can't get it. Winner. Whew, made that look hard, didn't I? So there you go, guys, that was my first sort of whistle stop tour of the Golf GTE. I'm also comparing this car in a later video to the Golf E, the e-Golf, sorry. So we're going to be comparing, actually, should your money, because it's the same price, they're pretty much the same price at the manufacturer level, but one gives you more government money to get it on the road than the hybrid, which is only £2,500. So we're going to be considering which one should you get. So make sure you watch that, it'll be in the next video, or we'll put a link to it further down here when it's coming out. Thank you guys for watching. Share this video with someone that you think might like it. If there's someone that's considering this kind of car, let them know. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't done already, and I will see you next time. Don't hit the classic VW or the man behind you. Just in both spaces, like really arty shot. Okay, let's do this. Wheels turn at an angle, boom, like that. Done. Look at that. That's why I should be a car vlogger. Nailed it.